In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Mail ID in Framer. If you want people to click a button, text, or an icon on your website and instantly open their email app, Framer makes that very easy. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to add the email link so it works properly. First, go to Framer and open the dashboard where your projects are listed. This is where you can access the site or page you want to edit. Once you're there, click on your project to open it. Make sure you're inside the correct project before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one site. After the project loads, click on any element that you want visitors to use as the email link. This could be a text layer, a button, or even an icon. The key is to select the exact element users will click when they want to contact you. With that element selected, move over to the right-hand Design Properties panel and locate the link block. This is the section where Framer lets you define what happens when someone clicks that element. If you don't see it right away, just make sure the correct layer is selected. In the link field, type your complete email directly after the colon. Be careful to enter the full address correctly, because even a small typo can prevent the email action from working the way you expect. This step tells Framer that the selected element should trigger an email action instead of sending visitors to another page or website. Once you've entered the email address, press Enter on your keyboard to save and finalize the setting. That's what applies the link to the element. And that's it. Your selected button, text, or icon should now be set up to open an email draft when clicked. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to preview your page and test the link yourself to make sure everything works smoothly.